Hi everyone, I'm Marcus and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make Twitch and Kick tutorial videos to help streamers grow their audience, improve their streams, and reach partnership faster. I've been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years, and like many creators, one of my biggest goals was becoming a Twitch and Kick partner. Growing from zero is never easy. Getting people to discover your stream takes time, especially when there are thousands of live channels competing for attention. During my journey, I tested several websites that offer Kick viewer services. Some were good, some were disappointing, and today I'm sharing my honest experience so you can decide which one is worth your money. Let's get started. Number 3, Media Mister. Media Mister has been around for a long time and offers services for many social media platforms, including Kick. Their Kick viewer packages are very expensive. The quality was acceptable, but delivery was slower in my experience, and the website felt less streamlined than the other two. If you're looking for an established provider, it's an option, but it's definitely more expensive. Number 2, Social Plug Next is Social Plug. They also provide Kick viewer services and have a decent reputation in the streaming community. The website looks professional and the delivery is generally reliable. However, their pricing is noticeably higher, with packages starting at around $7.99. While the service is good, I personally didn't feel it offered enough extra value to justify paying almost double compared to Followers Panda. Number 1, Followers Panda. For me, Followers Panda was easily the best website I tested. What impressed me the most was that the viewers started arriving quickly, the ordering process was simple, and everything worked exactly as promised. The dashboard is beginner-friendly, you don't need your Kick password, and the support team was responsive whenever I had questions. Their Kick viewer packages start at around $1.70, making them one of the most affordable options while still delivering reliable service. If you're looking for a combination of price, speed, ease of use, and reliability, Followers Panda is my number 1 recommendation. That's my review of the best websites to buy Kick viewers in 2026. If I had to choose just one, Followers Panda would be my number 1 recommendation because it offers affordable pricing, reliable delivery, an easy-to-use dashboard, and responsive customer support. Overall, it provided the best experience during my testing. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.